Yo, starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is going to be $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going just under 3 miles.
Hello.
I just had a DoorDash for 3BF. The DoorDash for 3BF.
What was the code?
3BF.
So 3BF?
Yeah. That's the problem with these restaurants that are right beside the highway. Can't hear anything. Thank you. Total for that one was $6, and got the next one right away. This is Taco Bell going 4.5 miles.
Are you looking in with your app to earn your... Hi, what can I get started for you? Here's the drink.
Thank you. It's just sauce. Don't worry about it. Total for that one was $7. Next order up is a McDonald's going 2 miles.
Hey, welcome to McDonald's. You gonna be using the mobile app today?
You, and if you want to go ahead and confirm pickup on your phone. I know we're sticklers for it.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
That's a no tip. Total for that one is $5, and got the next one right away. This is Drip Coffee going 5 miles. That's another no tip. Total for that one was $4 and change. Next up is a Taco Bell. This one is $9 going 5 miles.
Hi, are you checking in with your name or a 4-digit code to earn reward points today?
Good morning.
Morning.
Is that no drink?
Thank you.
You're all set, my dear.
Got this right away. This is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $12 going 5 miles, 2 items. They got that fancy dog food. I think it was like 14 bucks or something. Like, wow, they're eating better than I am. And got the next order lined up right after this. It is a Seize the Bagel. I think it said $8 going like 3 miles, something like that. They gave me this add-on as soon as I walked in. It's $4 going like an extra half a mile. Not amazing, but might as well. I'm already here.
Have a good day.
Ow, that's hot. Bro. This thing is leaking. Oh my God.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not available. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Oh, these people are so annoying. 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 Take the picture. Bro. gonna lose my mind. Well, I burned my hand like 3 different times, but at least my car smells like coffee now. That's a plus, question mark. Also, that second drop off, oh, you are so, oh boy. They said, make this a no contact delivery. Okay, that's fine. They provided all the information I needed, or so I thought. Turns out the gate code doesn't work. Luckily, another person pulled in a few seconds after me, so they let me in. And then they messaged me as soon as I drop it off saying, oh, by the way, the gate code doesn't work. Oh, thank you, thank you. Next up is a Starbucks, $8 going 4.5 miles. Is that with this?
I'm sorry?
Is that together? Do you know?
I don't think so.
Is it a different name? I can't read that.
Yeah, I think
It's just this? Okay, thank you. Next order up is a Seize the Bagel. This one is $7 going 2.5 miles. Hello. I was picking up for Gianna.
Dana?
Gianna?
Oh, Gianna.
Yeah.
Okay.
Heading right back to Seize the Bagel. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you. Yep.
All right.
Dropping off for Jasmine.
For who?
Jasmine?
Maybe? My goodness, I feel silly. I'm trying to remember if we have a Jasmine.
You want me to call just to make sure?
Yeah, let's make sure.
Okay. All right. Did you have the DoorDash?
Yeah, I did.
Yep.
You're not Jasmine.
I'll come out and grab it from you when you get here, by the way. Why do people just lie straight to my face? Anyways, total for that one was $7 and change. Next up is a Starbucks. This one is going 4 miles. Thank you. Total for that order was $6 and change, and got this right away. This is a Krispy Kreme going 5 miles. And that would be a no tip. Total for that one was $6 and change. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $10 going 6 miles.
Hold that for you.
Okay, I'm gonna call it here. Current time is 9:39. I have no idea what the total is because they just keep ending my shifts over and over and over again. But I'll throw it up whenever the final total comes in. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.